Big one everybody's talking about today, and Texas members of Congress, in fact, doing the same. They're reacting to today's historic ruling by the U.S. Supreme Court that basically says former presidents have broad immunity from prosecution.
And it comes, as we've told you, that the former president Donald Trump is facing criminal charges here. He's accused of trying to overturn the results of the 2020 election. So we've got political reporter Jack Fink here. Jack, what are members of Congress saying about this?
Hey there, Nicole. As you might expect, reaction falls along party lines. Democrats say they're horrified by the Supreme Court's ruling, while Republicans are pleased. The nation's highest court narrowed the case against former President Trump, and legal experts say the trial likely won't happen before this November's election. The 6-3 majority of Supreme Court justices said the president may not be prosecuted for carrying out his constitutional duties, and that he has presumptive immunity from being prosecuted for his official acts. But the 6 conservatives also ruled the president has no such immunity for his unofficial acts. The 3 liberals on the court signed a dissent saying the ruling, quote, makes a mockery of the principle that no man is above the law.
These are the kind of
Democratic Congressman Lloyd Doggett of Austin says he's very concerned.
It is an extremely alarming decision. I think it really takes us a giant leap down the path to dictatorship. And I don't think that's too strong a term to use.
I think they got it exactly right because
Congressman Pat Fallon of the 4th Congressional District in North Texas praised the ruling.
I don't know of many people, if any, that want the president to be above the law and to be able to commit criminal acts simply because he or she is in office. At the same time, we want to protect the president when he or she is doing their official duties.
Both Fallon and Doggett disagree whether the ruling will raise the stakes of this November's presidential election.
And this suggests that the president will become an all-powerful strongman if
completes fear-mongering hyperbole, quite frankly. I mean, that's just absolutely ridiculous.
In response to the ruling, former President Trump said, quote, it's a big win for our Constitution and democracy. The Biden-Harris campaign said, quote, democracy hangs in the balance, and President Biden and Vice President Harris are standing up to defend it. Nicole?
All right, Jack, something we'll be watching. Thank you so much.